Top of the morning, gang. It's a day before Easter, 2025. I do not know the date. Must be like April 19th or something. But anyway, same thing, same routine. Me and brother Chris. Yes, sir. We do what we love. Go out there, hopefully catch some fish. Catch you guys on the deck. Deck, where we got all set up. Lines out. Saw a couple of birds. Hopefully we're heading in the right direction today. What's up, gang? Welcome back on deck. We finally found our first bird pile. Hopefully action. What's up, guys? It's been a boring friggin' day. It's 9:45. We did run into some bird piles, but they're not cooperating today. So right now, just the riding boat. Wait all day for this. 8 hours for that. 2 other strikes lost though. But we finally managed to pull one on the deck. On for number 2 now. All for joining you today on this fishing adventure the day before Easter. We managed to catch 1 fish today. 1 out of 5. Can't catch them all. Happy Easter. Catch you guys on the next adventure. Aloha.